There was a tiger chasing me, and then I went into the. No, there he is. There's the tiger. Do I have my bazooka? No, I don't. Yes, I do. I used to have a bazooka, and now I will use this boat that can go on land, both on land and on water. You see this, people? On land. First on land, and then on water. Haha! My latest invention, loser. Where are you? This is the boat of life. The tiger's killing a human. Run!
Warning, this video is not mature for insane children.
Helicopter! Helicopter! It's Susie!
What the heck?
Susie 3.10. Okay, a minute has passed. I can only make a video up to 15. Let's go, Susie 2.3. Woohoo! And up we go. If I even remember how to go up.
Oh,
You lost your gun?
No.
There's the tiger!
I know I have to remember how to go up. There we go. That's how we go up.
The tiger's in the trees. Watch it.
Screw the tiger. I can fly, loser.
The tiger was in the tree. I saw him. He leaped up into a tree.
Again, screw the tiger. I can fly. I can fly so high.
Dude, look. Smoke. Billy.
Tower. Doing things. Tower. No auto drive. I don't want auto drive.
A car. Did you see it?
I have a helicopter, bro.
Shoot it down.
I don't want to. I want to go into that house, then to that tower over there.
There's a bird. Shoot it.
Where's the bird?
There he is. You see him?
Where's the bird? Shoot the bird! Ah! Screw the bird! And screw you, cameraman! You flipped the camera over.
Well, it doesn't matter. I'm a lady.
Doesn't matter. Wait, let's just see if I have my wingsuit. Do I have my, okay, well, I guess there's only one way to find out, right? Cowabunga!
Googie.
This ain't good.
Cowabunga, losers!
I'll see.
I have my wingsuit! Woo! Yes!
You didn't use your wingsuit properly, man.
I did, I forgot to press X! X is parachute! Parachute you, parachute! That made no sense. Who would do such a thing? Kylo Ren!
Okay.
We were saying that it's a movie reference because we went to go watch Star Wars Force Awakens yesterday.
Yeah, I know.
You weren't there. You died.
Who would do such a thing? Kylo Ren!
Ren.
Okay.
No, it doesn't work with you because you weren't there. You
I
have to be there to understand the joke. If you were there, you would have understood the joke.
know Ray.
Who cares about Ray? Ray sucks.
Who are they?
Losers! That's where they are. Losers! 3 minutes have passed. I still got some time. Keep the camera on the screen!
Fine. I quit.
Too bad you can't quit. Because you're the cameraman. You get paid $300 a week.
Yeah, sure.
Crazy?
Nothing. Nothing.
Ah!
Oh, the car hit you.
You evil vehicle! You bastard!